Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Just doing a trade review of today's CPR trade. Today, the trades based on CPR worked beautifully. Even after getting a pretty big gap down from 34,600, we almost got about 350 point gap down, and even then, we got a good move on the downside. And all the trades could be taken by the CPR. So, what I've enabled is all the CPRs, that is weekly, monthly, and the daily. See, the best trade of the day, the $1 million trade, was probably over here when the 34,144 broke the previous day low. This was the previous day low. When that broke, that was a very good entry. Probably 34,200 put was a very good entry. But historically, we had a very good support at 34,000, right? So I just wanted to see if 34,000 breaks. Even that broke. This dip was pretty quick. And then when we started, and this dotted line is the weekly CPR, when we started taking support over here and the up move was pretty weak, that's when I had a view that if this level breaks, right, and even the global markets were down, European markets are heavily down, so if this level, that is the daily S2, and we also have a weekly pivot, if both of this break, then definitely we will hit this daily S3, and if this daily S3 breaks, then we'll hit the monthly CPR S2. From past few of my analysis videos, if anybody haven't watched, they can go and watch. In most of my analysis video, I've been mentioning that 33,530, this monthly S2 is a possibility. Let me just show you what am I trying to refer when it comes to the monthly. Let me put off this weekly pivots. See, what I have is only the monthly pivots. So let me just go to an hourly chart, since we are looking at the monthly pivot. See, this is Nifty. Let me open Banknifty. See, from past few analysis videos, I've been telling that the previous month low broke. We started trading below monthly S1. So this monthly S3 is a target. It looks like probably the target is going to hit today, because most of the times the big reversal comes on the monthly CPR, right? So most probably that target might get hit today, later on in the day. So I was able to take this trade, short entry over here, when this 3-minute candle kind of broke this daily S1, and the second candle when it started breaking down the weekly pivot, and then we ended up hitting this. There was a beautiful exit. Now, if I can just show you my trade, this is the UPSTOX account. I'm slowly shifting all my capital to UPSTOX as I've partnered with them. If anybody wants to open an account, the link is there in the description. You can open it. You'll get free access to this indicator if you open an account with UPSTOX. So they have two versions. One is this new version, and they also have this older version. Both are good. Can be used for trading. So these are profit for the day. I have entered 250 quantity, 10 lots at I've entered at 197 and exited at 288. Okay, so when we say so where is that entry exit is 188, 197 means somewhere over here, 1055. That is where this breakdown started, at this 1055 candle. So I entered here and exited here. See, the high point of the day, the 33,900 put hit 330, but I could only exit at 288. So I've lost about 40-50 points, but that's all part of trading. Can't do anything. We should never go running behind every single point. Just take what you get. See, the reason I waited is, see, when this candle was here, right, the reason I waited is because of the bearishness of the market, I just wanted to see if the next candle opens lower, and we might even end up hitting this 33,500. But the moment this green candle started forming, right, that's when I exited, and probably exited on the red candle, and 288. Actually, it is pretty late, but can't do anything. That's what happens in trading. I should have at least exited at 300, but ended up exiting at 288. That's okay. Now my view for the rest of the day is, see, we are still making this kind of like a corrective wave over here. See how the market moves even in this intraday is, we get a nice dip, we kind of correct, then get a dip, we are correcting. Maybe if this level break, this can be a very small trade, only about 100 points, so not sure if it is easily tradable. But if this day's low breaks, right, then the next target is this monthly at monthly CPR at 33,536. Even if this breaks, then the next target is this. The target is little overstretched, but that's what it looks like. We have already fallen intraday itself. We have fallen about 700 points. So if this comes, it will be about only the intraday fall about 1000 points. So it is a little overstretched. But my view is we might hit this level of the monthly CPR today. And just looking at the open interest, right? From morning there were heavy call writing, and we have call writing until 33,700 and nothing on the put side. See, usually whenever I share this analysis like this, right, you can see I'm just showing the example for the past days. You can even see the put writing being increased, but today you see there's hardly any put writing. It's only the call writing from the morning that have increased. So let's see if this level breaks. Probably I'll take an entry, otherwise no. And the same analysis was shared in our AdiTrade group in the Cosmo feed. I mentioned 38 by mistake, then corrected it. It's 33,850 breaks, daily S3 and monthly S2 of CPR. The second target is still there. It is still valid. It looks like it is very much achievable. And Nifty also had a pretty good fall and is perfectly taking support at the daily S2 of CPR. If this level breaks, right, there can be a quick drop until 15,600, or since this level is too big for Nifty, we can even keep the target as 15,750. 50% of S2 and S3 can also be the target. So that's it for now. As of now, we are sitting with 22,000 profit. Usually my target is to make about 10, 12 and I stop trading, but today's expiry, and on an expiry day we are getting a nice move on the downside. So why not do some more scalping and see if we can make some money. Thank you.